This is a training video on how to connect the OHD Kit #1 fit test adapter to the Dräger FPS 7000. There are two styles of the Dräger FPS 7000. There is what's called new style and old style. This is important because it will determine which APR adapter you use for the Dräger fit test. This is Dräger 4055505, also known as the mini wrap. This is what we will use today for the new style. If you're unsure which adapter you need for your Dräger FPS 7000, please contact OHD at adapters@ohdglobal.com and we will be more than happy to help you figure out what you need for your fit test. To connect the Dräger to the fit testing adapter, we'll simply take our mini wrap adapter, push it into the front of the mask, and connect the Kit 1 40mm thread by threading it directly into the front of the mini wrap. You're now ready to fit test.